Oh yeah, the curb's gone.
Oh gosh! That curb's gone too. It's just grass.
Just a trip to the mall and the water.
Let's go to the mall and swim. Yeah! Look at the new rec center. It's at the mall.
Outdoor too.
Yeah.
Starbucks is fine.
Dude, he's
Like,
Oh, look at this guy.
people are probably
Going too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
figured it was a woman.
There was a chick.
She to the doors.
So they probably.
Damn!
I want to get out right here.
What?
You didn't see how far down we were? It was up to my doors.
Oh.
They're like, yay, getting daddy's big truck.
He's taking pictures over there.